Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and watch the videos to the end. Today we are going to church. I'm a Christian, guys, and on Sundays I go to church. So I want to show you the process of going to church, like from how it starts to get here. On Sundays I usually wake up so early because I love going for the morning service from 8 to 10 a.m. I don't like the afternoon service because you sit in the church for too long. So when I wake up, I usually wake up at 6:30. Then the first thing I do is boil water for taking a bath. Here we are not taking a shower because we have no showers. We use a bucket. So yeah. After getting ready, I usually I need to get breakfast before I get to church, and today I decided to make the Jamaican porridge. I actually had to learn this from one of you guys and also from YouTube. I usually start by boiling the spices, the cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and some, I think that's it. And I'm supposed to use maize flour, but today I'm using millet flour. I wanna feel how different it tastes when I use it. So as you can see, after the water is boiled, I usually sieve them off. I don't like feeling them when I'm drinking the porridge because they are solid, so I sieve off the spices. After sieving them off, I'll add the millet porridge, like the millet flour. I've already made it in a different container, so I just add it to the boiling water. After that, I'll just keep stirring it till it's ready so that I can add my milks in the porridge. At this point it's ready, so I start with regular milk and then the coconut cream. Passion and friend zone. Kanda na ile. Eh. Seven, my dear. So after the porridge was ready, I just put it in a container and served it. And actually, I know please Jamaicans, don't come for me. I cooked it differently from how you cook it. I tried the millet, I've done the white corn flour, I've not tried the yellow one yet, but let me tell you, this slapped. Oh my goodness, it was so delicious. I tried it with the millet flour and it slapped. It was so delicious than I expected.
Kunywa haraka. Najua tunataka madzam. Kunywa kalamu tuko na hapo. Msongesha yako. Lakini kwa usingizi. Na nimeoga. Tena nikolele. Tukwenda tu ila siku tukindanga. Ila siku tukwa kimbo. Alafu na tukaenda ile patiana ya ule demwa alikuwa na bench ama bench bila ulikuwa active. Embrace the same spirit.
Hey guys, we are actually going to the church and we are kind of late with my sister. She's gone. It's kind of raining, so she has gone back for the umbrella, but our home is just there. I don't know if you can see it. And this is money for the, what is it called? For, is it tithe or sadaka? Sadaka inaitwaje? So we're going to church and yeah, it's kind of, it's supposed to start at 8 a.m. and right now it's 8:20 a.m. but it's not far. And it's a new church. We are trying a new church because it's been raining and the church we usually go, the road is so bad. So me and my sister have decided to change and go to a new church. There are so many churches in Africa, I'm telling you, and the community is very important. That church community is so important in your life. So guys, let's go to church. So it's raining, so my sister has gone back for the umbrella because we don't want to be rained on. This is my church outfit. This is my outfit for the church. I have this one in case it gets so cold. Let me show you the road. It's so bad. Look, it's raining everywhere. It's actually been raining the entire morning. There is my sister, she's coming back. Niliona by the way kakona two dots. Kwa nini alienda nayo shule? Si labda hiyo ndio supu. Guys, look at the road. It's so like it's been raining. So we have an umbrella now. This is my sister. Subscribe to her YouTube channel, Jennifer. In the building. How are we gonna cross here? But it's better this road than the other one. Guys, we have changed churches because of the rains. You can see even this one we are struggling. Now I'm telling you the other road is even worse. Anyways, continue watching. We pass through here. Hey, Spider-Man. Spider-Woman.
challenges zake, and we want to be a people who are prepared to live this life the best way possible. Sometimes, as Christians, we are so eager to go to heaven, but the Lord God who created us, He saw a need to create a being that was like Him, so that He can come and experience this realm that is the physical realm. He is a spirit, and He will never be able to walk the earth if we do not present ourselves as the vessel that He can use to experience the world. We also pray that this offering will be sanctified to do your work, and we thank you and bless you for everything. In Jesus' name I pray.
We thank God for this opportunity to sit to tukaweze kuketi. I know the Kama has organized it, and